So if you look at the questions of geography, 25 prelims के paper में, there are about 5-6 questions map-based, and I personally think the map-based questions are those which you need to practice. At least a decent amount of world map का understanding होना चाहिए, not mechanically by hearting. Most students work on the maps without seeing the atlas properly. Look at this question asked in this year's paper. I'm referring to जो test series B है and question number 42. Consider the following countries: Bolivia, Colombia, Brazil, Ecuador, Paraguay, Venezuela. And Andes mountains pass through how many of the above countries? Okay, so ये countries 6 countries दिए गए हैं और Andes mountain कौन कौन से countries से pass करते हैं? I think most students should not have problem while mentioning Bolivia as an important country through which Andes passes. Colombia भी ठीक है and शायद Ecuador भी miss नहीं करेंगे. Problem होगा while comparing Paraguay, Brazil and Venezuela. And the bigger problem is Brazil. Is Brazil having Andes mountains or not? So to answer this, look at this map that I'm showing you. So these are the Andes mountains. Andes mountains. और ये countries देखिए, this is Colombia. Okay, so Andes mountain is passing through Colombia. This country Ecuador. Andes mountains are passing through Ecuador. You go north, एक छोटा सा part है यहाँ पर Venezuela. And Andes mountain also passes through Venezuela. हालांकि much of Venezuela एक highland है. This is called as the Guyana Highlands. Guyana Highlands includes Venezuela. यहाँ पे 3 countries हैं, Guyana, Suriname and French Guyana. Plus the Guyana Highland also includes parts of Brazil. Okay, so Venezuela, Colombia, Ecuador, and this country here is Bolivia. Okay, Bolivia में ऐसे bulge है. So if you are marking the Andes mountains, this is what we recommend that they mark. If you're marking Andes mountains, this is what we recommend. Andes mountains is this, like this here, and it bulges out somewhere here like this. So ये पूरा Bolivia जो है, it's part of the Andes mountains, Bolivia, and so is Ecuador, so is Colombia, Venezuela. Now look at the map of Brazil. Brazil का जो boundary है वो यहाँ है. Okay, in this part, Brazil is not including Andes. And look at this country called as Paraguay. This is Paraguay here. Paraguay is a landlocked country. Much of Paraguay is actually a basin area. यहाँ river pass करती है called as Paraguay-Parana River. So Paraguay is part of the Paraguay-Parana basin. In fact, the capital of Paraguay is a place called as Asuncion. And Asuncion is a port on the river. It's a very large river. And that river is having a port. So हालांकि coast नहीं है Paraguay का, but because it has the river and its port, therefore it has access to sea. लेकिन Brazil जो है does not have a part of Andes mountains. This is even more clear if you look at this particular diagram. Andes mountains are here. This is Venezuela. This is part of Colombia. Come down, we have Ecuador. And this is part of Bolivia. And Paraguay is here. This Paraguay River, Paraguay Basin. And this is Brazil. So Brazil में the 3 physiographic divisions जो Brazil के part हैं, one is Amazon Basin is part of Brazil. The second I said is the Guyana Highlands. Guyana Highlands is part of Brazil, and also a very large area called as Brazil Craton. Brazil के mountains हैं, Brazil के highlands हैं. These 3 parts are part of Brazil. So this is Brazil Highlands or Brazil Craton बोलते हैं. This is Guyana Highlands north में है. Okay, and of course this large part called as the Amazon Basin. And Paraguay, ये यहाँ पर country Paraguay है. Paraguay is not part of Andes. So now if you see this question, okay, Bolivia includes Andes. Colombia also has Andes mountains. Ecuador has Andes mountains. And part of Venezuela has Andes mountains. Brazil में Andes mountains नहीं है और Paraguay में भी Andes mountains नहीं है. Therefore, in this particular question, only 4 is correct. Keep watching me for these kind of videos. I'll explain the map-based questions asked in the 2025 prelims paper of UPSC.